Hi, this is Kelly here from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make this color blocking crop top. And I'm using this Easy Super Jumbo yarn. It's a size medium, full size yarn. And then also this hook, starting with the purple. And it's actually just making two of the same pieces and then combining them, one in purple, one in the blue. So first you're going to chain for your cups. Just measure how long you would need them. That is going from the bottom basically, and then you just go into the third chain from the hook with a double crochet, and then double crochet all along the edge there. And then once you finish that side and at the top, you're just gonna go into the top one with a double crochet, then chain one and do another double crochet into that same stitch, or another two actually. So you have there two into the last one, then chain one and another two. And then you're just going to go across from the previous double crochets, and also going to do a double crochet on this side. So this way you're going to be able to work in that sort of half round way, going back and forth along that strip of chains. And that's going to give you the cup on top there, and that's on the bottom. So here I crocheted all the way to the end, and once you're there, just going to go also with a double crochet into the last stitch right here, and then chain two, turn it around, and then go along right into that first, or that same stitch with a double crochet, and then all along the edge there with double crochets. And that will be your second round. Just a double crochet into each double crochet from the previous round, and then once you reach the top there, and still have one more here, but then once you have that chain one space, you go in there also with a one double crochet and another one, then chain one and another two double crochets, and then keep going with just a double crochets all along the edge there into each chain or stitch. So you can see that there, how it's starting to form upward to be the cup, and you just go back and forth until it's high enough for your size. So this is it for me. I did one, so there you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just going up there. I don't even know how many, but now we're gonna add the edges to it. So I did the blue one here already. As you can see, I did the same cup back and forth because they're going to be connected in the front with a tie there, and then just in the back going back and forth for around your body. And then we just need the ties on top. Oopsie. So in order to do that in the back, once you know that it's big enough for you, you're also just going to switch it over, chain two, and then double crochet into each stitch until you reach the height of that cup piece that you would like to have going around your back. And you can also find the written instructions on my blog, and I'll try to link everything in the description below. So just like that, go up there until it's high enough. You can do the same how that I did, or you're just gonna do it higher or lower depending on what you need. I'm always trying to just cover my bra, so making it high enough for that. So here we are. And that just now I'm gonna extend it so that it's gonna be halfway to the, basically to the middle of my back, just the way the blue one was going. So just turning it around, chain 2, and then double crochet to the end, and doing those rows back and forth until it's long enough to reach around to the middle of my back, where I'm gonna combine it with the blue one. Just like that, back and forth. And here we are. I finished this part. And back and forth there. But now I want to add some trim all the way around it. So for the bottom, I just did a row of, it's just a single crochet, a double, a half double, a double, again a half double, and a single crochet in that space there of that double crochet before. And then going on into the next space of the double crochet, just a slip stitch, and then onto the next row there of that double crochet, again also with the single crochet, a half double, a double, a half double, and a single crochet. So that's like this shell pattern, and doing that all along. So the next one again just a slip stitch, and then moving on to the next one with that shell pattern of single crochet, half double, double, half double, and single crochet again. So you're going to do this pattern all the way along the bottom edge. So here we are. Just gives it a nice little detail on the bottom. And then going along the edge there, just do a nice back loopy, I don't even know what it's called, but it gives it a nice finished edge. So you just pull up a loop, make it nice and loose, turn your crochet hook, and then pull through. So pull up a loop, turn your crochet hook all the way around 360 degrees, and pull through there. Sometimes a little tight, but you can do it. Just again, swirl it around and pull it through. And that gives your front a nice solid edge. The nice thing is that it really makes it that it's not too stretchy there anymore, and also just makes it look nice and solid. Right there. See how it's like this nice twirly edge. So you're doing that all the way to the top, and then also all around there. So this way, especially here, when you can see that it's otherwise, very stretchy, when you do that, that gives it a nice solid edge. And you're just going to do 2 of those into each, double crochet space there along the edge. So here we are, we're having the pieces done. We did that for the left and the right, one in orange, one in blue. And now we have to stitch them together here, just like a regular whip stitch on the back. I left a long tail on this one. So I'm actually going in between so that you can't see any stitching. And when you pull it tight, see how it's just completely disappears and just has those 2 pieces be perfectly together. So you do that all the way to the end, right here. Now that's finished. Now for the front, you need to add the string, and then first of all that string that goes in there, but also the one for the tops there. So this one is also a really neat one. It's like nice and solid, but you need a long string, so you double it up, and then you're just gonna divide the 2. The shorter one should be in the back if you have a shorter one, and then just loop it over and pull the other one through the 2 on the hook. So loop it over, you have 2 on the hook, and then pull the other string through, and just go like that all the way to as long as you need it. So pull it and then through, loop it on, and then pull the other one through, loop it on and pull the other one through. And this gives a nice 3D string that's nice and solid. You do that long enough. Here we are, we have both of them. And then you could either use them and string them behind your neck if you like that, or you can also attach it to the other side, because I always like to do that just to cover my bra strap. So if you want to do that, you can just measure that and do that. But then we also need to make another one to go here in between to tie it together. And this one I'm actually going to do both colors, combine them, and this is actually going to be the edge to it, so it has a little tassel. Nice and tight, cut it. And then also fade a little so that it really has the look of a tassel. And then just go in there and do the same thing. Loop one over and the other one through both loops. Loop it over and then pull the other string through those 2 loops on the hook. And you do that until you have a nice long string that you know will be big enough to tie the 2 pieces in the front together. And the good thing is that like now you have a 2-tone string with both the colors, which is really nice, as you can see here. So there's it, and then I just looped it through those spaces in between the double crochet. Right there, and then tie it together.
Hope you have fun making your own crochet top, and follow for more fun crochet projects coming soon.